welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make paper towel slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you will need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of thick shampoo. I'm using the Suave Ocean Breeze one. You guys will of course need any type of paper towel. I'm just using this kind. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least, this is optional, you can use food coloring. Okay guys, so what I'm first going to do is I'm going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to add my shampoo into here. How much shampoo you add is how much slime you will make. And that looks like just enough. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my food coloring in here. I just wanted to make it green today, so I'm going to add about a dot of green, and I'm going to get mixing it up now. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, that looks like just enough mixing for this. And basically the final part for this recipe is you're just going to shred up the paper towel, kind of like this, and you're going to add it into your bowler plate. So I'm going to say mix this for about a few minutes just because you want it to get super thickened and like kind of like bubbly.
So I'm going to do that now while I add more paper towels in here.
Okay, so I've been mixing for a little bit now, and I also added some white food coloring because I kind of want to make it like a minty color for this no glue slime recipe because I usually just do clear slimes, but I thought I'd make it a minty color. And I'm going to add more toilet paper towel now. That looks like just enough mixing, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take a look at it and mix it up, and if it looks like it needs more soap, I will add more soap. If it looks like it needs more paper towel to make it more fluffy, I'll add more paper towel. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done. Okay guys, so it's been about 3 hours, and here it is. I also mixed it up and added some more shampoo as the 30 minutes were going by each. And let's see how this turned out. I see some toilet paper sticking out up there. Let me get my spoon out. Oh my gosh. This made such a cool slime. I'm kind of nervous to pick it up because it does look really, really slimy. But look at this, it made slime. I'm gonna pick it up and mix it around. This is super sticky, I can tell. But here it is. Here it is after mixing it up for like a minute or so. It's so thick and buttery from the toilet paper, the paper towel. And it's so nice and buttery, and I love this texture so much. It's extremely sticky though. So just warning you guys, this is a very sticky recipe because of the soap and the paper towel makes it super sticky. But this recipe is a huge win-win for me. The paper towel made it so thick and creamy. I guess it's like kind of like a buttery slime, but it's really, really nice. And I really recommend trying out this recipe. This is probably one of the best no glue paper slime recipes I've done before. But I recommend this one a lot, and if it worked for you, please put it in the comments down below. And if the comments are turned off, unfortunately, which it's been happening a lot on my channel with these videos, make sure to comment on my community page. I'll post a post when this video goes up. Yeah, but this recipe was a huge win-win for me. It really worked super well. You can even see the paper towel in the soap when I stretch it out like that. It just made it super, super fluffy and bubbly, and it made such a great no glue slime. I really recommend it. Just it's super sticky. So warning you guys, this is a really messy slime recipe, no glue slime recipe, but make sure you try it out if you want to. If you like this video, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, in peace, and remember to check out all my newest YouTube shorts, and all my social medias will be linked down below. I love you so much guys, in peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!